Hi, I'm Kris. This is David. We're with Republic-mfg, and we want to talk to you a little bit about a central system that just came off the line. David, what's the application this is going into?
This particular central system is actually going to a thermoformer. However, we have multiple applications we can put these in, anything from a printer to a hospital system.
And so a central system can be made up of multiple vacuum pumps. In this case, there's two. Why would I want two pumps versus one?
Anytime we set up a central system, we set them up where one pump will operate the whole system.
So let's say that I have a problem with one of the pumps.
So if you have a problem with one of the pumps, you just close off a few valves. We can also come on front, cut the disconnect off, and allow you to work on it safely. In our central system designs, what we've done is we've always designed them where we have one pump that'll run the whole operation. But the big thing for two pumps is so you can do maintenance on one while the other one's still running, you don't lose production.
Excellent. And then if demand gets really high,
the second pump will come on and boost the system.
So if we go over to the control panel, you'll see this setup here, it doesn't have an HMI. Why would I want a control panel without an HMI?
In this particular case, cost was a big driver here. So we wanted to do something cost effective, but give them the same results as having an HMI.
There's a couple disconnects, which allows you to turn off one of the pumps. That's an easy way to take it offline safe. Hand auto off. So if I put it in auto mode, it's going to do the cycling. It's also going to put both pumps on if there's enough demand. And if I put it in a hand mode, it's just going to manually turn the pump on. There's a hour meter on the pump here, and that keeps track of the actual hours the pumps run. And then we've got this sensor. Tell us just a little bit about this interface on the sensor.
The interface on the sensor allows you to know how much vacuum the system is actually pulling. The other thing that we've done also, you'll notice there's a gauge so they can verify the tank is saying what the sensor is saying, so everything's all in line with one another. We have a low vacuum alarm on all of our systems just to alert the operator.
Excellent. So this is one of the many different systems that we can build. This is a central system, like we said, lots of applications that it can go into. We'd love to quote a system for you, so please contact our sales team and we'll help you out.